Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for stimulus checks as a non-filer. First, confirm your eligibility for a payment. Generally, if you did not file a tax return and your income was below a certain threshold, you may qualify. Next, navigate to the official IRS website and locate the non-filers tool. This online portal is specifically designed to help individuals like you submit the necessary information quickly and easily. Have your basic personal details ready to begin. To proceed, you will need to input your full legal name and your current mailing address. Ensure this information is accurate to avoid delays in receiving your payment. You'll also need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. If you have dependents, make sure to include their full names and Social Security numbers as well. This step is crucial for calculating the correct stimulus amount for your household. Now, enter your bank account and routing numbers if you wish to receive your stimulus payment via direct deposit. This is the fastest way to get your funds. If you prefer a check, you can select that option. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered. Double-check names, addresses, and numbers. Once you are confident everything is correct, submit your simplified tax return through the non-filers tool. After successfully submitting your information, you should receive an email confirmation. Keep this for your records. The IRS will then process your submission, and you can track the status of your payment using the Get My Payment tool on their website. Payments are typically issued within a few weeks. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.